Did you know that millions are wasted in construction and installation projects every year? We're talking about double-digit percentages in failure costs, all because of one thing: poor communication. Every company selling technical products communicates their features differently. Wholesalers and contractors spend hours copying, converting, and validating product data manually without ever being sure the information is correct. Frustrating, right? But industries are now taking the responsibility to fix this, creating a level playing field where everyone, from producers to end users, now uses the same validated product information, maintained by the manufacturers themselves. No more errors. No more language barriers. And instead, a world coming together by using the same digital language. That is ETIM International. That is the ETIM Product and Modeling Classification Standard. The ETIM is the global open standard classification standard for technical products. ETIM has been around for decades, with thousands of product and modeling classes represented and used in countries all around the world and implemented in countless software applications. Every piece of information, whether it's product groups, features, or values, is coded and translated into multiple languages by native-speaking industry experts, making it usable anywhere. And here's the best part: it is free to use, simple, and accessible to everyone. Stop wasting time and money on inefficient processes. It's time to make that change. Join the ETIM community and start using clear, consistent product data with the ETIM classification models today. Welcome to ETIM International, standardizing product data for a better tomorrow.